Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you on how to find the exact date that you joined a Facebook. So either using mobile device or computer or same settings and procedure. And guys, that is an interesting questions if you think when I'm joined a Facebook. So Facebook now are lots of settings that we don't know how to find it. Then I'll show you the easiest way on how to find it. The next step, then you need to open your Facebook account. And on top right corner, then you need to click your Facebook profile. And then here, and then you need to scroll down and select this settings and privacy and then click. And then here at settings and privacy, and then you need to select this settings. And then here at settings and privacy, so you can see this, the first settings, this is the account center. So personal details, password and security, add preferences and verifications. And then you need to select this personal details and then click. So here in personal details, and then next step, you need to scroll down again. And under at account settings, and then you need to select your informations and permissions and then click. So here at your informations and permissions, and then you need to select this access your informations and then click again. And then here at access your informations, and then you need to scroll down again and you can see this your informations. So you can see this all the settings here. Then you need to select personal informations about your profile. So click this settings. And then you can see now profile informations, your account creations date. So the date you created your account on January 29, 2010. So it's about 15 years from now that I joined a Facebook. All right, so that's very simple settings and hope to follow this tutorial. So thanks for watching guys, and hopefully this video was helpful to give you tips and guide about a Facebook. If it was, give it a thumbs up and share with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out the latest tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.